holidays are a busy and stressful time of year. Let's make decorating a little easier with a few tips that take 15 minutes or less. Hurricane lamps are a great essential in your decor arsenal. They look great during the holidays, but also all season long. I love to fill mine with candles, pine cones, and other colorful baubles. You can even forage fresh greenery right in your backyard to bring the outside in. Purchase holiday pillow covers to cover your everyday throw pillows. Not only does this save money, but it also saves space when you go to store them at the end of the season. One of my favorite tricks is to turn my pillow covers inside out and grab the corners of the pillow, flip the pillow over, and give it a little shimmy. It really just helps the pillow cover get on a lot easier. And I've done this trick for as long as I can remember, and it works great if you're putting on a duvet cover as well. Purchase pillow inserts that are one size larger than the covers for a really full, high-end look. We've always had wreaths on our front door, but this year I wanted to bring some inside. This extra large brass and half garland wreath is an amazing visual that we put in our living room window. I also did a super simple trick by tying a wreath to the back of our dining room chairs with just a ribbon. Switching out your everyday candles with something a little bit more festive and a pop of color is a great way to add interest to your space this season. You can use your everyday candle holders and bases. Jingle bells are a great way to ring in the holiday season, and I love these gold vintage bells because they give that old world Christmas feel. I always hang them on our front door, the mantle, and this year I even put them on our cookie jar so I could hear when Kyle was sneaking a cookie. And I didn't want to leave out the boys, so Koa and Maverick also have jingle bells around their collars to keep them included in the holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed these quick decorating tips to make your holiday a little bit simpler.